Now in this video, let's talk about how we can download the Waze app on the iPhone, and let's get started. So what I'm going to do right now is that I am going to currently just delete the Waze app, which I have installed on my phone, just so I can show you the whole process, right? So right now I do not have it. So what we need to do is to open up the App Store like that, and you need to make sure you are inside of the search view. So at the bottom, we have like 5 different buttons. Click on the magnifying glass. So you go to the search. In there, you type in the Waze, click on a search, and some apps are gonna appear. So for example, at the top, you have like an ad. So, you need to scroll a bit more, and there is the Waze application already available for me. And because I already had it on my phone, you can see there is this cloud icon, right? That is because the app, as I say, has previously been installed on my device. So I can click on the cloud like that, and the process of downloading will begin automatically without any confirmation or passwords. However, if you haven't done that before, right, let's say you are downloading the Waze for the first time, you will, instead of the cloud, see the get button, right? So inside of this app, like random one, I have the get. This is what you would see next to the Waze. So you just click on get and just scan your face, double click the side button, and the app will also begin installing. So it's pretty much the same thing. You just want to make sure you authenticate yourself. You type in a password or something so you can actually get inside, right? So that's how it works. That's how you download it. Right now, the app, as you can see, is already part of my phone, so I can open it up and begin using it. So that is how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you have any additional questions about it. So thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.